Grande, Love Me Harder. I literally just learned this one this morning, and I've had a few people already reach out asking for a tutorial. And actually, when I learned it this morning, I was thinking we needed to do a tutorial. So I just needed a little encouragement. So this one is, I really like it. It's literally 15 seconds long. So this is not going to take us long to learn, but there's a few feet in there that I think some people are finding tricky. So we're going to learn that right now. Let's listen to the song. Turn it up so we can hear it. Love me, love me, love me. Okay, that's at 80%. We're going to do it at 80% instead of 70%. Don't forget to mirror me, yeah, from the front. And then I will face the back as well. All right, so we start towards the back. And you're just going to do a right, left. And then on the left, you're just going to sort of throw yourself down and forward. One hand here, one hand up here, yeah? So we just go right, left, and we go down. Then the first tricky footwork bit. It looks like do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. So you're down and you go right, left, come up, bring the hands here, here. Okay, now the feet. It's how we're going to break this down. All right, let's just go with the first move. So the first movement is you're going to go right up on your toe. And as you do that, you're going to simultaneously left foot up. So let's just try that first. It's just a boom. Yep, let me do it this way. So here, the weight is on the heel and then into the toe. So boom. Yep, just practice that a few times. Boom. And again, boom. Yep, from there, bring them together. Yep, as in toes pointing towards each other, heels down. So again, those two moves, we go up, down. And again, up, down. Again, up, down. Now from there, you're going to lift, you can do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to lift this one and place it down on the toe and rotate the heel, yeah? Boom. So exactly the same as we did here, boom, but now the other side, boom. So toes together, boom. Yep, one more time, boom. Let me bring, how's that? So we go here. Let me hold on to the ball so I don't fall over. I'm getting the camera. All right, we go here, together. Then lift the left, here, together, here, together. Lift the left, rotate the right, bring them in. Lift the right, rotate the left, bring them in. Left, in, right, and then lean towards it. So lean to the left, in. Lean to the right, in. Lean to the left, in. Lean to the right, in. Let's pick it up. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. Faster. Boom, 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 boom. How's that feeling? I wish I could have instantaneous feedback. Okay, how did that feel? Started to get it? Yeah, so we start off 2 steps forward. Let me just show it to you with the music so you see how it fits. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Again, try it with me. Step over here. Yep. Again, so remember that the arms, we go step over, here. Yeah, so just arms over the chest and to the back. Yep. Let's try it again. I'll face the front, but don't let that confuse you. Step 1, over, here. Arms. Yes. Okay, let's go on. So we're here, 2, 3, 4. So then it's love me, love me, love me. So we're throwing our shoulders and our chest, so around to the front. So you want to think my right shoulder is going up and my chest is coming to the right and around to the left. Yes, it looks like 1, 2, 3, and little love heart symbol. However you do it, like this, or how the kids do it, like this, which feels incredibly awkward. And I cannot think of it quickly. So I'm going just old school. All right, so from the top, 7, 8, step right, over, right, left, arms over, love me, love me, love me, yeah? So we're rotating. Try and make it a good isolation, yeah? Which is when we want to try and separate our top from our bottom, or our hips, or our shoulders. They're all isolation, just basically just moving a body part as individually as possible. So we're rolling, we're here, we're here, we're here. Yeah, if I'm facing this way, we are here, here, here. Yeah, not too tricky. Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Step over, right, left, arms, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Right, how's that feel? How are the shoulders? And it's not an overdone dance. Well, not with these guys anyway. I have seen some people doing it really big, but I feel like it's a bit more cool. Yeah, let's not try too hard. Okay, so we're here. You're then going to jump down, up, and it's a crotch grab. It's a crotch grab. But if you're wearing baggy pants like me, just grab the pants. Yeah. So we've gone shoulder, shoulder, love heart. Drop down. You're going to look to the floor, up, and grab the pants. Yes, pretty easy. So again, shoulder, shoulder, love heart, down, up. Yes, from there, you're going to go, hang on a minute. From there, you're just going to step out and do a shoulder, shoulder. So do. So the first one, I'm kind of slightly on an angle, I guess, slightly to the corner. So we're going right shoulder up first. So right, left. Do. Yep. I'll show you this way. We're still holding onto our pants. And we're just do. Yep. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Do. Easy. So to add it onto the move before, we're going love me, love me, love me, down, up. Do. Hang on. Another crotch grab. So it's do. Cross, cross. I keep wanting to look, but they don't actually look. So just cross here, down, grab again. Yep. So from the shoulder bit. So love me, love me, love me, down, up. Do. Yes, let me just watch it again and make sure. Yep, that's it. It's easy. Go again from the shoulders. 7, 8, shoulder, shoulder, love, heart, down, up. Do. And then we're going to do the back, which we'll do that in a minute. Let's do it from the top. All of that except the last move. So 5, 6, step forward, over, right, left, roll the arms back. Love me. Love me, love me, love me, down, up. Do. Arms here, down, up. Then the last move. Okay, so the last move going back, I'll come a bit closer. We've gone down, up. You're going to step onto the right. And this is key. The key is to keep the weight in the right foot. Yeah, and then just at the end, you need to transfer onto the left to slide the foot back. If you're trying to slide on the left with your weight on the left, it's not going to work. So I'll do it facing this way, it might be easier. Actually, no, I'll do it facing the front and then you can see. Okay, that's better. So this is the side. Pretend this is the front here. I've just finished my second crotch grab for the day. I'm then going to swivel my body to the left, now facing you. I'm going to step, step, step. And you can do the back foot however you want. I feel like one of the guys here is just kind of stepping and pushing. So you can do that. I was kind of feeling like I wanted to do a boom, boom. So weight in the front. So you're going to step right. You're going to push this foot back and then you're going to put the weight on it and bring this one back. And then again, push. Let me stand back further so you can see it better. So it's push, slide, push, slide, push, slide. Yep. Again. So weight in the front, push the left foot back and then onto it. And it's sort of, it naturally straightens out because you come back. Yeah, I think. So push, slide back. If you don't put the heel, hang on. I mean, you could do it that way. You could just go slide, 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 but I don't know, it doesn't look as cool. It doesn't feel quite right. I don't know. It feels better to do. That just works better. It seems like more work, but it actually feels easier. So I think slide, push. So I think step, slide, and you're pushing. Weight onto it. Step, slide, push. Slide, push. Yeah? And then this arm is going to do this at the front. So it looks like it's just like a and it's quite fast. So you need to get the feet moving. And maybe don't make it too big. Don't slide back too far. Yep. We just want little, little, little. Again. So little, little, little. Everything is held here until that last second when you're just transferring back. But it's very, even still, I still feel like my weight is here, over the front. Yeah, keep it over the front. Otherwise, if you're too up here central, it's not impossible, but it's definitely hard if your weight is too far this way. Okay, how is that feeling? I wish I could tell, I wish I could hear instant feedback. But yeah, let's try it with the music, the whole thing, and see how it feels. Sometimes it's just easier to do it at speed. Sometimes the slower you go, you think too much and you overcomplicate it. Sometimes the body can just take over and do its thing. Fingers crossed. All right, let's go from the start. Right, over, here, back, shoulders, crotch grab, shoulders, cross. Yeah, I'm definitely doing that. I'm definitely doing that. So that's good. I'm teaching you what I'm actually doing. All right, again, I'll face it back. Right, over, shoulders. And that is it. That is it. What time is that? Oh, still 20 minutes. By the time I cut it down, maybe 15. Okay, well, hopefully that was helpful. Let's do it at 100%. We may as well while we're here. Here we go, 100%. Yeah. My foot got stuck. My foot got stuck. We need to do it again now. All right, back to the top. Here we go. Yeah. Yes, I like that one. All right, guys, thank you. If you did the whole thing, you stuck around, great job. If you've got questions or you need a little extra help, just let me know. I can send you a little video if you still feel stuck. All right, I'll see you guys in the next dance tutorial.